Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to be following on from the previous video, which had a great response, so thank you very much for watching. This one is going to be on the Adidas GTX version of the Bern. Nice kind of bit of football and history pair with this. There's lots to talk about, so let's dive straight in. Right, so as ever, Adidas have dived straight into the archive with this one. We've seen the Bern, many different iterations, colourways, materials, but this one's got a very specific history to it. Linked to football, this is a throwback to the Miracle of Bern, a very, very famous footballing match. It was the European Championship final in 1954 between West Germany and Puskás's famous Hungary side. World beaters, nobody could touch them. But this one, like I say, inspired by that day. Horrific weather, hence the Gore-Tex, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But that is a really big reference point for that 1954 final. The weather conditions were absolutely horrific, so safe to say the teams were just slipping and sliding everywhere, none of the technology that we have today. The pitch was an absolute state. The Germany team, however, came prepared. They had elongated studs, which meant that they could stay on their feet a bit longer, managed to overturn the Hungary side and win the whole thing in Bern on home soil. So yeah, this was a big, big day for Germany fans. Right, so yeah, as we said, lots to talk about with these. Got this luxurious soft brown leather, slightly burnished in the brown colourway, given like that vintage aesthetic. Same again with the off-white sawtooth stripes around the lacing. These do actually come with a pair of off-white laces as well, which I actually prefer. Again, a little bit more of a sporting aesthetic there. Obviously we've got the Gore-Tex detail, metal tab on the sidewall here, and we've got the membrane inside. Look after these should keep up their waterproofing, DWR for about 5 years, up to 10 years. Like I say, as long as you keep good care of them. We've got this tonal outsole as well, another indoor kind of reference point here, but yeah, absolutely class. Another little additional detail for all the Adidas fans out there, these come complete with this vintage Adidas box. So it comes with a little repeat pattern on the top, obviously trefoil symbol across there, and plenty of half-tone details throughout. Yeah, that's just a really nice touch from the brand. As far as size and concerned, a few of the guys in the store have tried this on and said they would stick quite true to size. One of the lads said it was slightly on the small side, but given the leather, with it being quite a premium material, this will give in time. So with wear, they should fit your foot shape, no matter if you've got like a broader foot, narrower foot. These would be ideal for anyone really, so just stick to your size. Before we continue on with the video, I'd just like to thank you for joining us. If you like the videos that we're putting out so far, please give us a like, subscribe, let us know what you think. But without further ado, let's dive into some on-foot detail shots. Right, well guys, that's it. Thanks very much again for joining us. Again, like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think of the videos. Let us know if you managed to cop a pair of the Berns, let us know what you styled it with. But until next time, have a good one.